Hey, it's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection. I'm standing in front of the advanced wash kit. So everything we got here is going to what you need to use to wash the exterior of your car. So we have a 2-bucket method, obviously. Red bucket for the clean rinse water. Both buckets sit on the grit guard dollies with the 3-inch casters. So the 3-inch casters make it easier to roll around. Nice thing here is these are 6-gallon buckets, so you can fill it to 5 gallons. So when you're dunking the water in, you're not going to splash the water all over the place. 2 grit guards, 1 grit guard with the washboard so they can rub your wash mitt against it. Speaking of wash mitts, we got 2 wash mitts in the kit here. Nice big wash mitts. The reason we got 2, in case you drop one during the wash, happens from time to time, don't touch the car with a wash mitt if you drop it. That's the pro tip of the day here. Then we have a cuffed wash mitt that we're going to use for the rocker panels, door jambs. You're going to do this in, that's the area that's going to have more grit, more grime. The grit, the grime is what's going to swirl the car up. So you want to minimize that. So again, 2-bucket method washboard is going to help minimize swirls and scratches on the vehicle. Gyeon silk dryer, we got 2. Again, we got 2 in case you drop one, stop, put it off the side. Also have 2 if you got a big truck SUV. You're probably going to use both of these to dry off the vehicle. What are we using to actually wash the vehicle? So we have a Gyeon Foam. It's a pre-soak. Go in there, it's going to bust up all the dirt. Apply with the foam cannon or mix it up in the sprayer. Gyeon Iron. Do this once, maybe twice a year if you're in an area with a lot of industrial fallout in it. It's going to dissolve the iron. That's one of the pro secrets to making the car look great. Gyeon Bug, so spring, summertime, bugs are out there. Spray this on there, get the bugs off. Don't let the bugs sit in the car all summer, that's gonna be bad. Gyeon Tar, well, it dissolves the tar from the road. So road construction season, asphalt trucks are out, get the tar off the vehicle the safe way. After the car is washed up, the secret to winning, to having the best looking car around, a Gyeon Wet Coat here. So it's gonna give you those hydrophobic properties. So what that means, nice big water beads. So Gyeon Wet Coat, one of our pro secrets we'd like to share with you here. In between washes, ceramic detail spray is great to use. And then from time to time, if you have a ceramic coated car or another car, Gyeon water spot, take the water spots away on that. For in-depth pro tips, techniques, how this kit's being used, check us out at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com. We got thorough videos on there. We're going to share our engineered process. We're going to show you the tips. We're going to show you our secrets. And we're going to get you set up on how to use these wash kits. Thanks so much. It's Bill at Immaculate Paint Protection.